Fernando Puma Martinez.
And his opponent across the ring, fighting out of the blue corner, Jesse Rodriguez.
Protect yourself at all times. Let the both of you touch him up and let's fight it.
World title, they'll come home for the first defense. Las Vegas for the WBC Super.
Punches and bunches, just heart and soul poured into each other. He's in control of the distance, so he's going to have to do that this entire night to be successful.
It ain't gonna hurt him if he goes down. You're gonna deduct a point for that?
He's going to be thinking, but this could drastically change the effects on the outcome of the fight.
Yeah, Bam with a sense of urgency now. Plenty of vigor.
But Bam is definitely learning a lot this go-round.
Well, a good round for his
and body presence, just like he's doing right here.
The right game plan, and he's in this fight with Bam Rodriguez.
Nice left there from Bam. Thanks, Chris.
Some of the pivots that Bam Rodriguez is known for, the foot feints and the pivot.
Oh, nice right.
Landing those combinations on the back foot now.
Chris Mannix, we were talking earlier about Jesse Bam Rodriguez being the fight of the year.
Choose.
The fight that Bam Rodriguez really didn't want at first. You know, just fought a couple of months ago.
Rodriguez with punches and bunches, even up and down. You know, it's a beautiful sight. It'll be a hard knock like a jiggered up.
This is going to be an action-packed and bloody fight between Bam Rodriguez and Puma Martinez tonight. 4 titles are at stake, whose undefeated record will be broken. Comment your bet in the comment section. Before the fight, let's watch some knockout highlights from their careers.
He's not even stepping back. He got the range down of someone with five.
Are we seeing out with the old and in with the new? Rodriguez in his hometown, putting on the performance of a lifetime. And we're going to see the end. It's over.
Beautiful boxes coming from Fernandez. The legs are gone up. Fernandez is driving that angle, see? As if nothing that is happening.
Oh, that's a knockdown. After closing numbers, Ruiz is in serious trouble here. And he's applying the pressure now. Fernando Martinez from Argentina is looking brilliant in round number 11. Wow. Raining in punches. Punches in bunches. And what a great round. Oh, he's been badly hurt.
Ref.
He's going down. Oh, it's all over. It's all over. Fernando has won. Fernando Martinez has won.
It's a rarity when a southpaw fights a southpaw.
There's a solid left hand that got in there that made Juarez step back, had to close out this year strong, and him himself wanting a world title shot in 2021. Going down goes Juarez in round 2. 4. Beautiful shot. 10.
Just too, so percentage-wise, he's definitely going better.
Jerwin and Cajas, the only
Latino, he went the distance, but he was blanked, but he did go the distance against one of the greats of all time, and he's taken something from that and implemented it here in this fight.
Now I'm giving, it's going to encourage. I mean, as long as he gets out of here with a victory, a W is a W. Go on.
Interesting to me that as you look at them, they're both 30 years of age, but Cajas has such a surround his credit as a professional. He talks about grabbing the head. There's a beautiful right hook counter by Martinez. There's a right upstairs. Martinez hustling here, but back comes and there's a left hook. Championship gold to their native country. But a new championship reign could be on the horizon, and his name is Fernando Martinez.
IBF Junior Bantamweight Champion of the world.
Rodriguez.
Big, heavy. That's a world title.
112.
Whoa! That got him off kilter. Now he's in the corner. You do not want to be in the corner.
Looks like nervous energy, but by now, it's no more nerves. That's just the way he boxes. Christian Gonzalez boxes with that little chance on punches, especially on the outside, like that.
This crowd wanting Bam to turn up the heat. And he caught him with a left.
You're not getting the same pop and leverage. Nice check hook by Bordeaux at times. That's what Bam...
You agree with that,
I would
Chris?
agree. Yeah, Gonzalez has never fought anyone on the level of Bam Rodriguez.
waiting for Bam to land another big...
Promoters of a lot of the lighter weight fighters, most notably Roman Chocolate, taking his time in here in this first round. Jesse didn't want to wait. He didn't want to wait 4 years for an Olympic Games.
Oh, he's able to go. He found a great corner. He's going to be able to compete.
On the shorts as Rodriguez continues the body attack. And it's straight hand. Floors Mosquera. And that's all she wrote. Jesse Bam Rodriguez continues. We're in the middle of the ring. Rodriguez landing a jab and another combination of the head.
Negrete right now.
Negrete with his mouth open now. On wobbly legs, his hands are down. Rodriguez unleash it. Combinations and down goes Negrete.
It doesn't look like Negrete's gonna get up.
And that's all she wrote.
すごいですよね。プレスですか。
すごいですね。プレスですね。
プレスですね。はい。この辺りは本当に。さあ、左から。マルティネスはしっかりと打たれた後にこうやって返していく。また。いよかっこいい大きいさあ打ち合い接近戦。スイッチして大阪の右のストレート前に行く。疲れたなマルティネス。マルティネス最後まで。Fernando Martínez, 3-0 の判定.
De derecha y el cross zurdo de Martínez. Conmovió al marplatense. Otro uppercut. No está bien, mis amigos. Minuto final del round número 3. Veremos. Aplacable derecha del bonaerense.
Técnico, chest to chest, Mexican roar. I say all the time, this is new school straight. From point A to point B, nothing coming around the guard right now. Impact on Gallo. Anytime Gallo starts to look good, Bam just slapping